Hello everyone, welcome to another fresh new episode of Thoughts on Education. Today we have D. Mulli Krishna, the chairperson of Vikas Group of Institution. Sir, I welcome you on behalf of College Dunia.
Thank you so much, sir.
So it's really pleasure to have you on for our interview. So I have few questions for you. Can I proceed with the questions?
Yeah, please, sir.
So, being the chairman of Vikas Group of Institution, what is your philosophy on leadership, and how would you describe your leadership style?
Sir, the philosophy of leadership is very simple and is coming to me because my philosophy is being honest and being friendly with my team and taking people along with me, having my own vision, dreaming to achieve the vision that what I have, creating a roadmap and encouraging my team to be very honest in their approach and build a wonderful work culture on a working environment which can motivate each and everybody. And that's what we've been doing from last 18 years. But one thing I believe, the hard work, taking calculated risks and being honest, that's what I am.
Right, sir. So, calculated rates always result in good results. So, the next question for you is, what are the Vikas top priority for the upcoming 10 years?
It's very simple. So Vikas has been, it's not just an institution, it's an institution which is contributing to the socio-economic growth of western part of Odisha. That's what we have been focusing on. We have been doing in education for the last 18 years, and last 3 years, the tremendous work Vikas has done in health sector, particularly in this pandemic time of COVID, is very clearly known to everybody. And Vikas, whatever it does, maybe in education, in health, now we are entering into tourism. One point agenda is we have to contribute to the socio-economic condition of the state, and we have to be the contributors, and we have to create an employment generation, and we should lead from the front where we are going to find a solution for every social problem of our region.
Right, sir. So, as you talked about the pandemic, so a small question for you. So, what were the challenges that you faced due to the COVID-19 pandemic, and how did you tackle it?
As when coming to COVID pandemic, I think nobody exception, everybody suffered with it, and we are do as well. But I think, as I said, we always look forward, and we could able to judge, visualize, and understand its impact is going to put in this globe for the coming 3 to 4 years, and we started working on it. When it's coming to switching over from offline to online, creating our own web portals, and being connected with the students throughout this pandemic. Maybe they are at their home. I think Vikas has done a tremendous job with its own innovation style, and that too having its own resources. Whatever we've done, it's maybe web portal, online education, everything was an in-house created by Vikas, by the faculty team of our engineering college, BCA. Not only they developed a web portal for themselves, they are done for our school, having a strength of 15,000. I think this is a tremendous job where we are still connected, maybe at school or at home. Everybody is connected through this technology by creating our own portals, by our own sources.
So coming up to the next question, so what are the key strengths of the college that will attract the students to come and study over here?
It's very simple. What we have believed in Vikas is we want to create employability. That's what we've been focusing on, and we want students to attain some skills by the end of the course that they're going to pursue in Vikas. Maybe it's up to the senior secondary level or undergraduate or postgraduate level. We want students not only to just to take a certificate from Vikas, we want to make them skillful, and that's what we have been doing. And we believe that once Vikas student who goes out from here, he is not going to have a certificate in his hand, he's going to have a lot of skill in his hand, which is going to help him to grow and settle in his life.
Right, so one last question for you. So, what message would you like to give to our students who want to join Vikas Group of Institutions?
My simple message to all of you is, please be very clear when we go and we will choose a college. Just choose a college seeing the overall grooming that you are going to be getting in the college you are going to admit it. Vikas believes in self-sustainment. We are a self-sustaining campus. We want our students who are going to join here want to sustain in life. self-sustain in life with their own skill that they're going to have. And I'm sure that student who comes to Vikas, because we live as a family, we have a lot of belongingness to each other, and Vikas, the attachment, involvement, that what is the relation between teacher and student is more than the professional relationship. We stay as a family and we encourage everybody that, because this is the campus which is really going to really make a difference in your building your career. That's what I believe that students would prefer Vikas.
Thank you so much, sir. So I hope this message will definitely help a lot of students and they will join Vikas Group of Institution. It was an immense pleasure talking with you.
Thank you so much, sir. I even thank College Dunia for giving this opportunity of sharing my thoughts on this wonderful platform. Thank you so much.